Palladium this week has lost its value, and we can see the price has gone below 974, and the price tried to return back up and then form again bearish candle, continue to fall down, and the price has reached the 937.50 support level, and then on Friday has gone below that. And we can see the price has gone and it has returned back up, where the price currently is just at this support level. On the weekly time frame, we can see that this is a bearish candle formed on the chart. It is with a small body and a small wicks on the upper side and the lower side, which means this pair was not volatile during this week. And on the monthly time frame, the previous month has closed as a bearish candle. We can see that here. And what we can make as a conclusion for the further prediction of the price, what I can see, the price is currently in the downtrend. There is no enough bullish strength showing here that there is a potentially retrace on the market, making a cancellation of the downtrend going above, but instead we can see that the previous month has closed as a bearish candle. So the price has returned to this one, to the support level at 937.50, which is a very important support level, and we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the 6th month, the price cannot go below that, but everything is pointing that the price wants to go below that. We have a very strong candles trying to go down, and we can see that in this month, this was on January, the price tried to go down. Sorry, in February the price has tried to go down, forming this strong wick, but the price returned back up, forming a bullish pin bar, indicating further rise in value. Now, it's very important to see how the price behaves on the smaller time frames. As we can see, the price cannot make a breakout to the downside. For the weekly time frame, there is also a breakout visible here. We need to watch what happens around this one, but what I can see, I'm expecting to see the price going even more down. At least these candles, what are they showing me? They are showing me the strength of the sellers, and there is no strength of the buyers here. We can see that here, but I need to pay attention to what happens, because we can see in the past that has happened. The price finds enough strength and then returns back up. So we'll see what happens around this price level. A very important level for the price is currently this one, where the price is. We need to see price closing below this one, which means 929.60, closing the daily candle after that, and closing the next day, because we can see how the price behaves after the price makes a breakout. The next one returns back up, continues in the opposite direction. When the price goes below that, closing the daily candle, and also the second one doesn't close, returns back up, this is indication for the further decline down, and we can see that has happened in the past. And currently what I can see, this is something that I'm expecting to see the price going down. For much more information, I will share that inside the Telegram group on a daily basis when something happens on the market. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.